Is your Brother MFC 7860DW stuck with a paper jam that just won't clear? Don't worry. In this video, I'll guide you through some quick and easy steps to safely remove the jam paper from your printer. And if you need extra assistance, feel free to reach out to our expert team using the numbers provided. Now, let's jump right in and get your printer back up and running in no time. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. Method 1. Remove stuck papers. First, to remove the toner slot from the front side of the printer and check inside for any paper jam. Then, open the back cover of your printer to check the stuck paper pieces. If you see any pieces of paper, then gently take it out by opening the drum roller. After taking the paper, close the back cover of your printer. If you're still unable to resolve the paper jam or get stuck at any step, you can quickly get help by contacting our expert team. And if these solutions work for you, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips. Method 2. Perform factory reset on printer. The first thing you need to do is open the front cover of your printer. After that, press the menu and press 2864 button control panel until you hear the beep sound. If you do not hear the beep sound in the first try, then press the stop exit button and then press the 2864 button once again. Once you hear the beep sound, then close the front cover of your printer. Now, wait for the printer screen to show the maintenance option. Next, press the down arrow and then press OK button to complete the factory reset. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.